Good morning, all of you. My name is Abhijit Kumar from BCA third year batch 1. I am going to show you. I have make exam registration form through React.js. So you can see here the code, and I am going to run this. This is my file. Now I am going to write the command to run this program. So here you can see that I have uh, made this exam form registration. So here you can write name, roll number, and what subject. Thank you.